Hi, this is Adam from Tyms. Today I'll show you how to generate your financial statements directly from your bank transactions with Tyms. As a business owner or accountant, preparing your books often starts with the tedious task of formatting bank statements before you can upload and reconcile them. With Tyms, you can skip all of that. Simply upload your bank statement, and your transactions are automatically categorized, with your financial reports ready in seconds. By the end of this video, you'll know how to upload your PDF bank statements, train Adam to understand your business, automatically categorize bank transactions, generate up-to-date financial statements from your uploaded data. Let's get started. To upload your bank statement, first navigate to the banking module in the top navigation bar and select Bank Accounts. This takes you to the Bank Accounts page, where you can view and manage your connected accounts and their balances. Before uploading a statement, you'll need to add the bank you want to upload for. Click Add New Bank and fill in your bank details on the form to create the account. Once your bank has been created, click Upload Statement for that specific bank, making sure you're uploading the statement to the correct account. This will take you to the Bank Statement Upload page. Click Select File and choose the PDF bank statement you want to upload. If this is your first bank statement upload, Tyms will ask you a few questions about your business. These questions train Adam, your AI accounting assistant, on how your business works. Keep your bank statement open while you answer them and be as accurate as possible. Your responses are saved as part of your bank rules, giving Adam the context it needs to recognize and categorize similar transactions automatically in future uploads. This setup only takes a few minutes, and you'll only need to do it once. Once you're done, click Submit. As mentioned earlier, your responses are saved as bank rules, which Adam uses to categorize similar transactions automatically in future uploads. You can view and edit these bank rules at any time from the top navigation bar. Now, attach your PDF bank statement. Tyms also supports formats like CSV, Excel, PNG, JPEG, etc. You can upload up to 10 files at a time, with a maximum size of 10 megabytes each. For the best results, upload 1 month's bank statement per file, and make sure your files aren't password protected or encrypted. Click Upload, and Adam begins analyzing your file using the training you just provided. Once processing is complete, head to the Bank Transactions tab. You'll see your transactions successfully uploaded and automatically categorized, based on the training you gave Adam. For future uploads, Adam automatically categorizes your transactions using your saved training. You can update your training at any time from the Bank Rules page. You can filter transactions by date, status, and other criteria to find exactly what you need. And here's where it gets really good. Because your transactions are already categorized, your financial statements are updated immediately. To get your financial statement, navigate to the Reports module, where you'll find your list of financial statements, profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow, etc. Click on any of your financial reports, like your profit and loss statement, to see your business performance, ready for decision-making. And that's it. Upload your bank statement, and Tyms takes care of the rest. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.